everyone, this is the Katalon team and welcome back to our Test Automation Landscape 2020 series. In our first video, we give you a glimpse into the present and the future of test automation, so check that out if you need a recap about the industry. In this video, we're going to analyze the automation testing tools market and dissect all of the specification that affects the tool selection process. This series is based on our industry report, Test Automation Landscape 2020, so check the link below to have the full insight and analysis about test automation industry and tools market all in one place. And now, let's get started. In the previous video, we know that the automation testing industry is blossoming, and all statistics shows the long-term commitment and consistency in automation adoption across teams of all size. So how are teams implementing automation testing? Using automation tools, of course, and multiple of them at the same time. 89% use more than one tool in their automation project, with 17% needed 5 tools or more. Let's look at the full picture of the current tools market. According to our respondent, these are the 20 most commonly used automation testing framework in the industry. Specifically speaking, open source tools like Selenium, TestNG, and Appium are in the top 5, proving the domination of open source tool solution. However, commercial tools is on the rise, proven by the presence of many popular commercial tools like cross-browser testing, UTF, Applitools, and the second most widely used tools is Katalon Studio, a free codeless closed source tools. What about you? Comment your favorite tools down below. The ongoing popularity of commercial tools is also confirmed with a year-to-year comparison between the commercial tools and free open source tools. While there's a decline in adoption rate for Selenium, Robot Framework, there's an increasing adoption of tools Tosca, Ranorex, and Katalon Studio. We have the link to download this tool in our description, so feel free to check them out. Here, you might wonder what factors impact the tool selection process and decide these trends. Well, our team found out that it all comes down to testing team. First, it's the team size. As previously stated, Selenium is the most popular choice for testing team of any size. But there's a much stronger preference for Selenium in large team of 20+ member and other open source tools, while small and medium team leans towards Katalon Studio. This can be explained by the differences in concern in management, security, commitment flexibility, and the personalization needs result from the team size. Second is the team expertise. Proven by the differences in adoption rate of Katalon Studio and Selenium, they move consistently with differences in years of expertise in QA team. More experience comes a higher adoption rate for Selenium, and vice versa for Katalon Studio. To explore this trend, we asked team why they choose to build or not to build in-house automation framework. For some context, a team would spend more than 6 months building their own framework with expert support, and you have to build every feature by yourself. The first option often involves leveraging open source automation engines such as Selenium, Appium, or TestNG. In teams that build their own framework, which involves open source tool automation, customization is a dominant reason, with affordability and sufficient expertise follow right behind. As for user of pre-built automation solution, 51% indicate that the lacks of time and 43% saying lacks of skills are the factor. There is also 48% saying that the availability of necessary feature and capability on commercial tools and closed source tools can easily satisfy their demands. Respondents also list easy affordability and high cost of building in-house framework as a reason for choosing an existing solution. More specifically, when asked for some challenge they face when using automation testing tool, the lacks of skills and experience are the main reason, for a combined 63% of our participants stating that it's a problem. More than half of the respondent indicates that continuous changes to applications and requirement is the primary obstacle, and the integration and scalability difficulty is also a significant barrier for a testing team. Some other challenges include insufficient feature, high costs, and educational support. From such specification, we round up the factor influencing the choice of automation tools. Out of the 11 criteria we have, security has the highest priority, Consistent with the Capgemini World Quality Report 2019, team also prioritized integration capability and scalability as an effort to keep test generation and maintenance simple. Other criteria include material availability, reporting capability, support, cost, among many more. So let's sum up. Although open source tools are still the dominant tools of choice, closed source and commercial tools are on the rise due to the rich feature and learning curve. While the size and years of expertise correspond with the tool used in each team, experience and customization needs are the common challenges and also are the deciding factor in the tool selection process. And that's the end of our Test Automation Landscape series. For the full chart and in-depth analysis, this report is available for free, so just click the link below. Comment to let us know your thought, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.